What's going on, YouTubers and Twitters and all you other folks out there? I don't know why I'm talking with like I got an American accent, but I don't. I'm from Canada. As you can see, that's Lake Ontario behind me, and somewhere over. Okay, well, believe it or not, the CN Tower is somewhere in the background over there. So lately, a lot of people have been talking about the USB port, and now with Sentry mode, that it takes up a lot of the data, and it fills up very fast. So what I actually do, I'm just gonna flip the camera here, which is not going to let me, so it looks like I'm gonna have to edit. And so as I was talking about the USB port, so now that we have the Sentry mode, which I don't use a lot. I'm in sales, and I park in the garage at home. So everywhere that I go, I'm pretty much at a customer's place. They're not like shady areas or somewhere that I'm leaving the car for a very long time. It's 30 minutes or an hour, and I'm on to the next. So anyways, what I'm going to do is, you can see it's actually recording now. I am going to stop it so I can unplug it. So the solution that I came up with for myself personally is I got this anchor. I don't know how they say it, because for me, anchor is like something you throw off the boat. You don't throw it off the boat. Oh boy. So this will take micro SD cards and standard SD cards. I'm using a micro SD card. So again, for me, it doesn't fill up fast, so I can take that out every couple days. But for those where it does fill up fast, what I actually do is I keep a backup 32 gig that is ready to go. So it's just a regular USB. This is what I was using before the Sentry mode update. I had two before, a 16 gig and another 32 gig, but I think again that a lot of people are seeing is that it continuously writes, so it fills up, and these seem to overheat, and then what happens is they just die. Literally, I plug it into the computer and I can't get anything off of it. It doesn't even show up. So I have the little compartment here. I just keep it there. So when I do take this one out, I switch it, and then I don't have to worry about forgetting it. And same thing, if I get into the vehicle and this one is full, again, I just pop in the other one. So that's what I do. That's my solution. Yes, it's, you got to keep two in the car, or you can keep extra the micro USB cards for that one. But again, I find that if something actually happens to that reader, I have the backup. I could have just bought two of the Anchor ones, but I had this one already. Like I said, that I was using it before. It's just a Lexer 32 and ready, partitioned, ready to go for the Tesla. So that is basically it. That's what I do. And hopefully that helps somebody out there on the solution where you might forget to take it in for the night, to take the data off of it or the videos, or it just fills up on you and it's like oops, and then you're driving around and it's not there when you actually need it. So hope that helps you. I'm not gonna ask for subscribers and to like or dislike this video. That's up to you to do. But other than that, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, this is Mark saying so long for now.